So guys, we are back with Ursula, the bike's name. And the reason we are back is since I installed a quick throttle, I started the bike and it wouldn't run as it should. It was kind of hang gas. As soon as you twisted the throttle, it would hang. So for your information, and this was not obvious from Alpha Racing's homepage, you need to reset the throttle values, and you do that simply by using GS911. There is a cheaper and easier way to get the fast throttle, and I forgot to mention this earlier. There's a company called RS2 Engineering in Bavaria, in Germany. They did the flash of my ECU, and if you take off your original throttle and send it to them, they would reprogram it so you will have a shorter travel to twist it to full. So this video is going to be a little bit about these guys. They're great. I always get answers within a couple of hours from every mail I send to them. Once actually on a Sunday. They're from Bavaria, where the bike is born, so they should know what they're doing. I have their flash in my ECU. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the ECU again. There's a video on my channel on how to do that. And today I'm going to show you how to remove the dash, because what I need to do is send the dash and the ECU to RS2E guys, just to make sure that I don't get the fault codes in the dash. Since I removed the ABS, which I don't know, if you are racing with your bike or track days, maybe you should consider removing the ABS. It will save you some weight and actually won't push you forward if you brake late. I had to remove the ABS because I installed a thumb brake, so it will not work together with the thumb brake. So when you remove the ABS and you do as I did, just put a plate on it. There's a complete video on how to do that from Alpha Racing. You will have your traction working. You will not have ABS, but what will happen is 5-6 meters after you ride your bike, you will get a big yellow warning here in the dash saying ABS is not working. And to remove that with this button, I need to hold top button for 2 seconds and then press another button. And if you're just about to enter the track and you get this warning, it's really irritating. So the good guys from RS2 Engineering, they have a solution for this, and they can remove this fault code, so you will not be bothered with it. And for that, you need to send them your dash, and it's very simple. I've done this before. It took them about a week and I had everything back in my hands. Instructions are how to do this is you can find it in their page. I will attach a URL to this under the comment section, so you'll find your way around. What else can they offer you? They can offer you to remove the irritating warning signal when you're low on fuel. So they can remove that as well from your dash. And they can remove the service warning as well from your dash. So you will not get that. So just to sum it up, since I have removed the ABS, I need to remove the fault codes that comes with it, and you cannot do that only by sending the ECU. You need to send your dash. If you just want to remove the fault codes. I think it's enough to send the dash, I'm not sure. I'm going to send the ECU because I'm going to upgrade to the race version of the flash, which will give me audible traction control. And there's a link on their page so you can see the benefits with this flash. Basically it's faster and better traction control, and you can hear when the traction control is activated. And then they will of course remove the fault codes. So how do we get rid of the dash? On the back side there are some pins. There are 3 of them, and there's a busher. So you need to get a plier and just yank this straight towards you. So get a plier like this. Be careful because they're spring loaded. So and there it goes. So I'm gonna show you what they look like. This is the fastener. It goes around this groove. So there are 3 of them. There are 2 more down where my finger is, one on this side and one on the other side. I will remove them and get back to you. So the 3 pins are out, and then you can just pull the dash out. If you're not having the protection that I have, put a towel on top of here, because if you yank it out, there's a possibility that you will smash it into the triple clamp. Otherwise, just be careful and you'll get it out. These are the pins. So this is the locking mechanism that we removed with the plier. And then you have 2 small connection, 1 small connection and 1 big connection. I'll see, maybe I have to remove this before from underneath here. So guys, this was a little bit of a hassle to get off, but I can show you the construction here. There's a lip down here where my thumb is. You need to press that on both sides and then just wiggle out the dash, as you can see. So down at the end you need to press, so this lip will extend on the top where my thumb is, if you can see that. And then the whole dash will come out, and this is just a plug. The other one I told you earlier it was 2, and you can remove this before sanding it, maybe, I don't know. So this will get packed, and next step is removing the ECU, and I have a video on that since before. Check it out. So guys, this is what you should end up with if you want to reprogram your original throttle for a quick throttle, and to get rid of the dash fault codes that you will get if you have removed the ABS, or if you just want to remove the fuel warning that will end up covering your whole screen. And if you want the best flash that you can get for this bike, no, hands down the best flash available according to me. So you will have to pack this, send it by DHL or your carrier that you like to the RS2E guys in Germany, and within a couple of days they will return this to you, and you will have a lot more fun with it on track or if you're racing. So guys, we are at the computer. Just gonna show you a little bit more about RS2E guys and how to proceed. Simplest way is just to put RS2E engineering. I have it here, and this is their site. So of course you accept the cookies. This is the English menu. So here you can find some information about them, Tech Corner, and who they are, and it's pretty impressive if you read the CV of these guys. What we're looking for is the BMW Motorrad catalog, and when you're here you can just type in your bike. Start with S1000, and I have the K67, and then you will get the menu for what's available for the BMW S1000RR 2020 and onward. And what I've done now is this one, Race Mapping Pro, and this here, disabling service alerts in the dash. So I'm just going to click in here so you see what you'll get. And this is the main reason that I'm doing this. Flash, because the older flash that I had would work with the full system, but I've been reading about this traction control via cylinder suppression, and it's actually a faster way to deal with the traction control. So your traction control will become faster on track. But there are a lot of more benefits here. I'll leave this to you to read. And there's actually a lap of Cartagena here, Spanish track, where you can hear the audible traction control. It sounds pretty awesome. So you'll get everything explained here, exactly what you're getting. And this is that, Pro race mapping. And then, sorry, this is what we're looking for. And you'll get ABS warning lights if you remove the ABS, which I have done. So you will not get this annoying big message on your dash. You need to push 2-3 buttons to get rid of. It's blocked. If you remove the DDC, they can help you with that. And they can customize it to your liking. They can remove the service warning, the fuel warning that you will also get. So give these guys a chance. They're great, as I told you before. And you can send an inquiry down in the right far corner of the page, or you can just contact them via mail, and they're quick to answer. So I send my stuff on a Tuesday to Germany from Sweden. They received it on a Wednesday, and Friday afternoon I got a message from DHL that my stuff is back. So I'm really looking forward to get the ECU back and the dash and mounting it back. So this is how you get in touch with the RS2E guys. And as I told you, it's a necessary mod for you if you remove the ABS, or if you install full system on your bike. You need a good flash, and you get a lot of benefits. If you have any questions regarding the RS2E guys, RS2 engineering guys in Bavaria, don't hesitate to send them a mail, and they're very service minded. So when this is done, I will update you with the results. Ride safe, take care, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.